Hey, it's Trisha, and boy, do I have a treat for you. My girlfriend, my neighbor next door or across the street, her name is Andrea Hatfield. She is beautiful inside and out, and she has been the dance coach for the Cheatham County Central High School. I have to remember because it's a bunch of C's. The Cheatham County Central High School here in Tennessee. And every year she does these wonderful things for these girls. She takes them out to usually a concert or something every year. She tries to go somewhere cool, to bring them. She makes these great costumes that have to do with their, with whatever the music number is they're doing. She arranges these costumes for them. They go every year to competition. So this is a huge deal. And every year she sometimes outdoes herself. This year, she definitely outdid herself. I hope you're going to enjoy this intro to the dance team at the Cheatham County Central High School.
Okay, let's go pick him up. Here they are. They're 7.5.
Yeah, I'm all the way. Yeah, I'm low, okay. I ain't thinking about no reaper. Don't reason what I sow, okay. Got a fisherman and a Jackson all in my house. Like I'm so okay, Hellcat. Made his homeboys and them types LA solo, okay. Everybody wanna be demons till they get chipped by your throwaway. And I might do a show a day. Once a lame, always a lame. Oh, you thought the money, the power of fame will make you go away. You better walk around like that. Remember? A top dog, who the first they think they playing with. Extortion, my middle name as soon as you jump off of that plane. I'm allergic to the language. Only you like being famous. Yachty can't give you no swag neither. Let me say I'm the biggest hater. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk. I hate the way that you dress. I hate the way that you sneak this. If I catch flight, it's gonna be direct. Feel love when you see success. Everything with me is blessed. Keep making me dance, waving my hand, and it won't be no threat. I'm knowing they call you the boy, but where's the man? Cause I ain't seen him yet.
So what did you think? If you were a 15, 16, 17-year-old girl and you got to participate in a shoot like that, I think you'd remember it for a long time. So let's send tons and tons of love to my friend Andrea and all these things that she does for these girls.